guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I am Taylor. I want to start off this video by saying Happy New Year, guys. It is January 1st today, New Year's Day, and I am going to clean out my fridge. I'm just doing the fridge part, not the freezer. The freezer is not bad. I don't buy a ton of frozen stuff, and then I have a separate freezer over there for my meat. So, and I regularly meal plan based on what's in my freezer, so that's not an issue. But we are a week out from Christmas, and there's still food in there that was leftovers from Christmas, and yeah, I don't want to open it, but I need my containers, so I'm going to open them, toss it, get all the dishes done. I hope this video motivates y'all to get yours clean. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the mess is, and then I'm going to pull everything out, put it on the table, clean the inside of the fridge, and then put whatever's going back in. Okay, are we ready? So it doesn't really look like there's a whole lot in here to me. It's not super jam-packed, but up here, this thing, the little plastic piece, was missing when my brother gave me the fridge, so I just attached a piece of duct tape so that I could actually use this. So there's like all kinds of like restaurant condiments up there, some relish, pizza sauce, horseradish, so that needs to all be gone through. This shelf is absolutely disgusting because Andy eats pickles in the middle of the night, and he doesn't like take the jar out of the fridge, so like pickle juice is like down in there. Oh, that's disgusting. That is so gross. So definitely cleaning that. More condiments. Somehow there's like ketchup on the thing. Butter. Leftover pie from Christmas. Cheese ball. Deviled eggs. We got regular eggs. All of the drinks. Carrots from Christmas. Celery, spinach, lettuce. I think most of that's still good. We got grapes and see, it's just dirty in here. And then I don't think there's anything else to throw away in here, but we're gonna pull it all out and get everything nice and clean. Okay, here it is finished. I feel like it doesn't look that much different, but up close, it is so clean. Like these shelves were disgusting looking from like the milk, because you know, like they got like white stuff on there. This shelf was disgusting. There was stuff all over there, all the jelly and stuff, but now it's nice and clean, and I got rid of all of the stuff that we weren't using. This thing, I had to wash that one in the sink. It was so gross. But yeah, so a nice, fresh, clean fridge to start the new year. As I said at the beginning, I hope that this video motivated you guys to get your fridge cleaned out. Let me know down below if you guys are going to do this as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. Leave me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!